Yeah.
Hi, this is a training video by Ego Premium Product. This is Roshan, the founder member. Today we will talk about what is laminate floor, the construction of laminate floor, what is laminate floor, the advantages, disadvantages, everything. So first we'll start how a laminate floor is generally made. So laminate floor, the construction generally is of high density fiber board. And how is this high density fiber board made? Technically, this is a log of a wood. Generally, people would just cut it into these small pieces like this. This is how the chips of this wood will be used. That is the reason we say that laminate floor is an environment friendly product, because of course we are cutting wood, but we are trying to maximize the plantation wood, and we try to use 100% of the wood. Otherwise, generally in the plywood industry or the wood floor industry, 50% or 60% of the wood can be used, the balance goes waste. So here we use the 100% wood, we cut it into these chips, and then we compress it and we make it into these small, like of small granules, which these granules then is compressed with chemicals and then made an HDF board. This is how high density fiber board is made. And after this high density fiber board, what we do here is we put a film over the high density fiber board. This is the decor paper which we generally walk on, which we see. So we generally put a decor paper over the high density fiber board, and then what we do to the decor paper is we mix it with a chemical and make it a little stronger, because right now the paper is too clumsy. So we try to erect it so that with the chemical it is erected. While pasting it becomes more easier, otherwise you will get those gaps coming or bubbles coming. By doing this, it doesn't happen. After that, again we will use an overlay paper above the decor paper, which is where we are going to walk over. This is kind of a transparent paper. The transparent paper is used over the decor paper, which we generally see, which we walk, and this is for the life of the product. So there are different grades available in the overlay paper. In the laminate floor industry, we call it as abrasion class 1, abrasion class 2, abrasion class 3, 4, 5, 6. The abrasion classes differ. It's a European standard by 1 to 6. Generally, abrasion class 1 and 2 are for low residential requirements. Worldwide, abrasion class 1, 2 is now not in use. These are kind of banned because it's a very cheap quality product. Abrasion class 3 is for medium residential usage. Abrasion class 4 is for a good high quality residential as well as medium commercial. Abrasion class 5 is for high commercials, and abrasion class 6 is like super high commercials. So for abrasion class 3, 4, 5 is a comfortable standard. We at Ego, our kind of minimum level we have maintained is abrasion class 4. We do not get into abrasion class 5, abrasion class 6. We are minimum looking at abrasion class 4. So this is a kind of abrasion class 4 product overlay paper which we use over the decor paper, and we compress it on the HDF, and then we use a backing paper below the HDF, and that completes and whole complete laminate floor. So generally a laminate floor would be looking, once it's done, would be looking like this, with the backing layer, the front layer, the HDF in the middle, and once it's installed, it looks exactly like a copy of a real wood floor. So this is what laminate floors are all about. It's the decors are made in such a way that it looks like a real wood floor. The middle layer is made of wood. It is HDF, it's high density fiber board. So you are actually getting the warmth of wood in a laminate floor also, because the mid layer is wood. And of course, on the top you're using the decor paper like a copy of wood floor, and then you're using an overlay paper at Ego we use minimum AC4 grade, and we have some ranges at AC5, but we minimum use AC4 grade. We do not have AC3 also. So this is what a laminate floor is made of. There are different thicknesses available. We start at 8 mm, there are 10 mm, 12 mm, there are with sound blocks. So we have some products which we put sound blocks behind. What happens is with the sound blocks, it reduces the sound by 50%. We have 12 mm products, we have 8 mm products, we have 14 mm products. There are different designs also, like in herringbone pattern. We have laminate floors with herringbone pattern. So this is generally how a herringbone pattern would be installed. This is how the product would, we will share some room images of how herringbone pattern would look once we start the training of the herringbone pattern. So generally laminate floor, the few features which are very important from quality point of view, the HDF. Now again, when we talk about HDF, the difference between the cheaper companies and Ego is our density is between 850 to 880. Now the cheaper companies would be looking at 700, 750, 800. That is not our standard at all. We minimum maintain 850 to 880, and that is the reason our density of the HDF is very high. The water, generally if you pour water, the water would not seep in easily. That is where the warranties stand. We warranty our product by 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. So you can be rest assured in terms of the laminate floor construction. And there are different textures available above the floor, which gives you the real wood feel. So laminate floor, very easy to use. It locks. You know, when you want to, sometimes you want to change your house, you can carry your floor to the next house. That's the comfort level which you get with the laminate floor. And the maintenance point of view is very, very easy. Wet cloth mopping, just rinse the cloth and just, you know, wet cloth mopping is fine. You don't need any more maintenance to be done. Just simple, you need to take care of the product. Otherwise, when we install, it's a floating floor, so you're not sticking the floor, it's locking into each other. We leave expansion gaps from all four directions. It becomes much more easier and faster. So this is what is all about laminate floor. I think we are good to go to understand what laminate floor is all about, and I'll take forward the engineered floor also. Thank you.